Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to stretch your hair, your straight waves, with an electric pressing iron. That is, if you cannot find a straightener or a flat iron close by. I'm going to use Becky's Waves professional hair serum to oil the hair. So I just want to work that in, brush, and I'll make sure that my iron is on low heat so it doesn't burn the hair. So you just want to keep doing this. Now you need to be very careful so the hair doesn't melt. And you can't use this on synthetic hair. This is 100% human hair. That is why I can do this. So you want to take it line by line. This is a wig already, as you can see. So I want to take it line by line so that I can get to work into the innermost part of the wig. Oil and press. This again, of course, is if you cannot find a stretcher close by, or if you're one of those who usually goes to a salon to get their hair laid, but for some reason you want to do the bulk daddy challenge at home and you didn't think you needed a stretcher for yourself. Unfortunately, you do need it now. So you can as well just use a pressing iron. As you can see, the weave is getting straight. The fool that is every week in record. He's laughing. So I still have some oil in the palm. I'm just going to work this in. Now you need to be very careful so you do not melt your hair. Again, you can only use this on 100% human hair. And voila!